Hey guys, Blooming Fish here doing a little unpackaging of this one TG. It's a TS mount mole clip. I'm going to take it out and show you what it does. It says it's hooked. The hook is crafted for high strength iron, featuring an oxidized and rust-proof surface for long-lasting performance. The hook supports up to 531 pounds. That's really heavy, guys. That's substantial. It has a multi-function design. Threads through the pant loop or the hook. So we're going to open this and I'll show you. So here's the mole clip right here. As you can see, got a little lever, nice little clip action. It has two ways that you can put this clip in. You can see a loop right here on the side. You thread this through the loop. Goes over here through the opening. Voila. Here is one way to loop the mole clip on to your pants. It also comes with another attachment. This one here, I believe hooks through your pant loop, but it's very hard. This one, I believe, goes right through the pant loop. Yeah, this is supposed to pop open, guys. And this, there you go. Hey. And here's the other side. So it takes a little elbow grease, but you can see that it pops open. So this is one attachment. These things, guys, they're really secure when you put the connectors on them. So they're kind of hard to get them in and out. But I'll tell you what this does. I'm just going to slide this one down. This part goes in through the loop here. Slides in. And it hooks over. And this other part here goes onto your pants through your jean loop. This is very strong, very hard iron, very good quality. And I could see how this could support a lot of weight. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.